Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, I'm going to be putting my restaurant into liquidation. There's no arrears owed to the landlord, but the lease still does have 2 years to run. I've personally guaranteed the lease. What will happen in a liquidation? So, the company's liability under this lease will be dealt with in the liquidation. However, the director has also personally guaranteed the company's obligations, and there is still time on the lease that needs to run. So while the landlord has a responsibility to mitigate any loss under the lease, that is, to try and get a new tenant in, the director remains personally liable for the lease while there is no tenant, or if the amount is rented for less than the current amount of the lease, and any other costs under the lease, such as make good. So that is, the director is still liable for everything the company is liable for under the lease. Now sometimes this can be significant, especially with 2 years to run. So what's recommended in this situation is the director approach the landlord or the landlord's agent or solicitor to seek to negotiate a settlement of this sum as far as that might be possible.